In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can easily climb and mantle over objects here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. This is super simple to do, so we're going to dive straight into this, but before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This is going to work the exact same on PS5, Xbox, and PC, so it doesn't matter what you're playing on, but what you're going to want to do first is actually click on this launcher menu up in the very top and then go ahead and head over to that settings tab, and from here you're going to want to select controller settings even if you're not playing on controller. But up at the very top you're going to see that you have a bunch of different tabs: controller, aiming, movement, and combat. You're going to want to go to the movement tab because this is the menu that has a few assist options like sprint assist, mantle assist, crouch assist, and so much more. For climbing and mantling, the one that you're looking for is this mantle assist option right here. You're going to want to go ahead and turn this on. Now you're going to have two different settings. You're going to have on, which is just that full mantle assist, which means anytime you're sprinted towards any mantleable object, you're going to mantle, or you have low mantle assist, which is only going to activate when you're sprinting towards low obstacles. If you fully turn it on, you can also enable sideways and backwards mantles, which allows you to mantle in different directions. And you can also adjust the angle by selecting the show more option right here and changing the mantle assist angle. And it's going to give you a brief definition of what every single one of these do right here. But tight essentially only activates when sprinting directly at the obstacle. Medium is only going to activate when running towards it, and loose activates when running nearby. Feel free to test these out in a private match and figure out what works best for you, but that's really all you need to go ahead and change. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.